In this video, we will show you how to move files quickly in Windows without waiting. Okay, you can using three methods. First, the most effective methods is using terminal. Okay, we can open command prompt, just type command prompt on your Windows and select command prompt. For example, we want to move the files from folder. I will use my files, for example. Okay, you can see I have these files. For example, I want to move into the directory D. How to do that? For example, we can just change to directory using CD. For example, to go to desktop, so we need to go to save first. See like this. Okay, and we can using dir to see the directory. Desktop is on the user, so we need to go to user. Okay, users. Okay, we can using dir again and on into the user wd. Okay, select the directory wd. Okay, and then in the user we can choose dir again, and this is our desktop. We can just go to or cd to desktop. Okay, and we can using dir again to see we want to moving. Where's the files? This is we want to moving these files, so we can using this first option using command move and find your files. In our case, this is the files mf. We can using tab for fast, and we need to moving into D. We can see the D there is no that files, no existing that files. Okay, we can using D and with backslash like this. Okay, let's just using this method, hit the enter. Okay, you can see this is our files is completed without waiting. And let's see on our desktop. On the desktop, the file is gone, moving successfully into D. Okay, I will cut again. This is the second method. You can see you can using cut. Okay, using cut also fast, better than copying files. Okay, this is the second method, and the method 3 we can using robocopy, but we need to run as administrator. How to do that? First, open the command prompt, but you need to using run as administrator here. Okay, after that, to using robocopy, we can just move into the desktop directory. Okay, for example, go to our C and select user, if not mistake, and select WD and select desktop. Okay, after that, we can using dir to see the files. And for example, I want to moving this directory with the subfolder. Okay, using robocopy, I will clear first, or no, I will just type robocopy. Okay, like this, and then select this Windows Apps 1, Windows App 1 folder, and then we will move into the D directory with backslash, and after that we can using slash move, okay, with space slash a. Make sure this is all uppercase. Okay, then hit the enter. Okay, let's see our directory on the D. Oh, we moving these files, so we need to moving another files. For example, using Windows Apps 2. Okay, we can hit the enter again. Okay, let's see, there is folder. Okay, here Windows 2, Windows Apps 2 is moving successfully. In our desktop there is no Windows Apps 1. And that's all tutorial how to moving or copying the files in Windows without need to waiting. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.